Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to show you how to make this super cute bunny bow using the Felt Better SVG die in the medium and the small. And these are the small dolly bow ones with the tail, and the felty ears are from Joe Leaf, and they come in little sets. You can use the pom-poms, I brought them separately, but you can get the ears and the feet and also a nose version, and you can buy them individually like these. And I believe the ears are 90p each on their own. The paws, which are these, are 90p on their own, and you can get the noses, which are 65p on their own, and you can get them for a set of 4, so a strip of 4, and for the paws it would be £1.80. For the ears it's £1.80, and for a set of the noses, which I don't have, is £1.30 for 4 each instead of a single version. So you do get better value if you buy a few more than the one by themselves, and they always come uncut and you cut them yourself. I'll show you a bit closer on the camera. You can see the stitch edges here, and you cut just a little bit around them. Don't cut close to that stitching at all, or on the back here, otherwise the thread will come loose and it will start fraying. So you want to make sure you want to get as close as possible, but not on that edge of the stitching. So I'll show you how to do that now, and then I will show you how to put and you'll notice these aren't my normal ribbon fabric scissors. These are my felty only one. They're another version of fabric scissors, but they are slightly smaller and easier to work with than my ribbon ones for this. I just tidy that up a little bit. And I'm also going to cut a little extra. Actually, I know what I'll do. There we go. Let's just got rid of them. So as you can see, we've cut very close to that edge, but not on it, because we don't want them to separate. And the template is from a company called feltbetter.co.uk, and they have a Big Shot compatible cut die, and they have SGV versions to download for your circuit, and they also have 2 types of plastic stencil which are available. You can get the ones that you can draw around, and then you've also got a template which you can sort of put over your piece of fabric and draw within the template. So like I said, you've got quite a few options and a variety of price points as well, so there's something there for everyone. And like I said, I've personally used the medium and the small dolly versions on this one. I'm just doing exactly the same thing for the ears, and I'll move all the mess in a minute. Just going to trim that down because I've not gone quite close enough there. There you go. So there are your ears. Just get that little fluff there, and I'm just going to cut that. There we go. So there are your ears, and again you can see the pink outline. Like I said, you should never cut, always a little bit around them, never on them, otherwise like I said they will literally fall apart, and you don't want that, especially when you've just paid your money out. And like I said, you can get little bunny shaped noses that come with them, or like I said, I've got a pom-pom for this version. So as you can see, I've got my little bow, and I've cut it all out ready to go. I'm just going to quickly glue this together. You have to excuse me because, like I said, I normally do ribbon, so I don't do these as often as I do making pretty ribbon bows. I normally leave this kind of thing to my sister, but I've been doing some unboxing. And I unboxed the Jolie BFF box and the Eliza Henry bow box this month. So like I said, I've been making a few more glitter faux leather ones than normal, so I thought I'd have a play, show you what me and my sister have been doing with our bunny ears. Layer those together like that, and we're going to add my tail. Like so, and then add my clip, and then I'll show you how to add the filters. And I saved a little bit of the fabric to go around the centre, and I'll put the dot of glue there. Open that up, right on the centre of the middle, and wrap around and over. We want to cut that a little bit of excess off. Alternatively, you can use corresponding 9mm ribbon if you have that available instead, but like I said, I tend to stick with the material that the bow's made out of. And this is the shape that you get on a double layer with the tails, and I did this version without the tail. And then all you want to do is always glue the pom-pom first so you can see where your foot placement is. And just a dot of glue there. There we go. Pop that in place, and then we're going to glue one foot there and then the other side. And I'm just going to cut that little bit of thread off as well so you can't see it behind. When it's glued. Okay, dot of glue there. We're going to put that side. And I'm going to do this here. And there you go, there's our feet in place. And then what I do is I put a tiny dot at the front and at the back for the ears for when we glue them into the main part of the bow. So that's one. Little dots of glue. And I put them quite close to the, as you can see there, and then just give them a little pinch. And I can see that ear's not quite trimmed down, so I'm just going to give that a little snip there. And there you go. That is a cute little pink version with a tail. That's a sort of rainbow pastel version without. And like I said, that's a medium dolly, that's a small dolly. And like I said, that's the medium and the small with the tails. And my sister made these super cute little pastel versions in the small dollies. How cute are they? And like I said, you can mix it up. I've also got a purple version because there's pink, purple and the rainbow pastel. And like I said, they've got the noses available as well. Like I said, super easy to use. They don't require a lot more than, like I said, a glue gun. And how cute are those? Thanks for watching. Bye.